Today is Tuesday, November 25th. This is the 1971 to 1978 Cadillac wiper motor. This is the 7576 variant. It includes the auxiliary board for the squirter module. Okay, so it's substantially different when you have the delay module, and this is the delay module, which provides 3 speeds and modality control for the driver in terms of the pump squirter, which is up here. I've gone ahead and changed out the gaskets and seals and maintained the original squirter. Okay, this is an aftermarket configuration. Unfortunately, people make the mistake of buying these thinking that they support the delay feature, which they absolutely do not. Okay, they absolutely do not support the configuration for the vehicles having the delay feature. We can look here and see how the original one is substantially dissimilar from the aftermarket 2-speed variants. Okay, so this is the aftermarket 2-speed variant, and this is the original vintage Delco wiper motor with the auxiliary board that includes the capacitor and relay and other feature functions. And I'm going to go ahead and apply power, and we'll be looking to see how the system works and how the module functions in terms of the squirter module. Okay, let me go ahead and get my power here, and I'll go ahead and apply power. We can hear how the pump is working. We can see the actuation arm. High speed. Low speed. Medium. And self-park. Okay, so this is the 1975-76 variant for the wiper motor with the delay relay and the auxiliary board fully configured. Okay, and it's the comparison video that shows what the aftermarket standard 2-speed non-delay aftermarket wiper module squirter modules look for the wipers. Okay, so this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as the wiper control modules and the wiper switches and other feature functional items. Thank you very kindly.